Welcome to today's episode of Podcast Name. I'm your host, Your Name, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of GitHub, an essential platform for developers and coders around the globe. Whether you're a seasoned tech pro or just starting out, you're likely familiar with it. So let's unlock some insights into why GitHub is so pivotal in the world of coding and collaboration. All right, let's start by painting a picture. Imagine you're part of a team working on an ambitious software project. Previously, coordinating this would mean endless email threads, fragmented communication, and manual tracking, right? Well, here's where GitHub steps in like a superhero. It allows developers to collaborate seamlessly, manage their code, and automate workflows all in one place. Now, I want to take a moment to highlight some of the key features that make GitHub a must-have for anyone diving into software development. First up, there's GitHub Copilot. You might have heard of it, an AI-powered assistant that helps you write better code. It's like having a coding buddy who's ready to jump in and suggest improvements and best practices as you type. And then there's the security aspect, which is paramount in today's world. GitHub not only helps you write code, but also gives you tools to find and fix vulnerabilities before they become major issues. Isn't that a game changer? Imagine the peace of mind you can have knowing that your code is fortified against potential threats. Now, let's dig deeper into workflows. GitHub Actions allow developers to automate any workflow. What does that mean? Well, rather than manually executing every part of your process, from testing to deployment, GitHub Actions allows you to set up automated workflows that can save you tons of time. It's like having a personal assistant who takes care of all the tedious tasks while you focus on the creative aspects of your project. But it's not all about code. GitHub has an entire community where discussions happen, ideas flow, and projects evolve. The Discussions feature is a wonderful space where developers can collaborate outside of code, seek advice, or share insights. It's like a giant technical forum where you can engage with others, ask questions, and share your knowledge. And speaking of community, have you heard about GitHub sponsors? This is the platform's way of giving back. It allows users to fund open source developers, supporting them in creating those amazing tools that we all rely on. It's pretty inspiring, right? Let's pause for just a moment. If you're feeling a bit overwhelmed by all this information, that's perfectly normal. GitHub offers a variety of learning pathways, events, and webinars. Whether you're looking to brush up on your skills or learn something entirely new, there's a trove of resources available. Before we wrap up, I want to remind everyone of the importance of community in development. Engaging in discussions, funding projects, and collaborating openly makes this tech world much richer and more innovative. So, as we close today's discussion, remember that GitHub is more than just a code repository. It's a thriving ecosystem for developers. It empowers creativity, enhances security, and drives innovation. As a thought-provoking closing question for you listeners, how could you leverage these tools in your own projects? Think about it. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed exploring GitHub with me and found some inspiration for your coding journey. Until next time, keep coding, keep sharing, and keep innovating.